Hello, Zippo over here again. I received a new Zippo in the mail today, and here it is. This is a pretty plain Zippo. It's got a model number 28182 Diagonal Wave, and this is what it looks like. Here you got it. It's a type of brushed finish, but it's not the regular brushed finish where you have the brushed stripes across the lighter. You can see the finish. I'm pretty sure this is street chrome finish at first, but then they brush it in this pattern. So the retail price for this was $17.95. I paid $10. I'm going to remove this sticker. And seal. Hope not to leave too much gunk behind. Put that there. So here it is, all undressed. I like this kind of finish. I'm a pretty fan of the plain Zippos. The Zippos I use, the Zippos that are users in my collection are often the plain ones, simple ones. And we can hear the sound of it. Got a pretty nice sound. It's a standard insert, steel insert. This one was made in K of 14. Take a look at the insert. And this also is made in K of 14, so matching inserts there. It's not so much to say about it. Pretty clean and nice finish. I like it. So more videos to come. I think I have received 6 new Zippos now that I'm going to review. So just subscribe and follow my channel. And see you later, guys. Bye bye.